You can expect a lot from the 2018
Lincoln MKZ.
This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. All of the premium features expected of a Lincoln are offered, including delay-off headlights, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power seats. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.